Things I've learned with my first garden. Pruning leads to bigger, bushier plants. So you can see on this basil where it's starting to fan out, you have those two little leaves there. You want to cut right above. All of the energy and nutrients is going to go into those new little leaves, and you're going to get bigger, bushier, healthier growing herbs. Pinching the armpit on tomato plants. Instead of all the nutrients going there into leaves, you want it to go into the fruit. So pinch those little guys when you see them. Getting more tomatoes by flicking the flowers or tapping them on the top. This will help to yield quicker growing tomatoes and more if you're not getting enough pollinators. I was amazed to find out that cinnamon isn't only good in your coffee, but it helps to make your plants grow faster. It's antimicrobial and it helps keep pests away. It makes my seedlings grow so quick. Nets to keep out the birds. Look, I'm down to share, but they were getting everything before we could get to it. Our tomatoes, our blueberries. So these nets allowed us to actually grow our food without the birds eating them. Drop your garden tips down in the comments.